What's up, y'all? So I'm going to review this wig that I bought on Amazon. It came with some lashes and a freaking black stocking cap, which was like, okay. So if you can see, this is the inside of the lace. The lace front itself is very short. I did call myself trying to highlight it, but the hair just didn't even move, and I had the lightener sitting on there, and it just didn't work. So I've already cut off the back lace, and I'm going to cut off the front lace using these pinking shears, if I said that right. Uh, Cut the lace off. And now I'm going to take a little bit of powder, and I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay, but you can use whatever powder you want. And just making that lace a little bit more my color. And trying it on, and y'all, I thought the lace was like, I liked the color. I actually liked the color. Even though I tried to lift it and it just, y'all know how that hair be. It don't be no real hair. Clearly can't be any real human. Well, no, it can be human hair, but it can't be any just good quality hair. You can't lift it. So it's chemically processed already. And I'm gonna apply it using the boho lace jelly, I believe that's what it's called. And I'm just gonna put that on, but y'all, just stay tuned. So I'm pulling the lace down, and I've already can see that it's too big, which they usually are anyway. And the lace itself was kind of thick, so it wasn't like a HD lace or nothing like that. And it just, look how thick that looked, y'all. And I plucked so much hair out of the frontal part, but it just, I don't know. So I already don't like it, as you can see. I was like, what the fuck? But I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna try to get this wig to look like something. So I'm looking like, okay, it might can do a little something, right? So I'm gonna part off some hair for, I guess, baby hair or whatever. And the top just, it just wouldn't lay down. So I'm just constantly trying to get it to lay down, pressing it, pressing it, pressing it. And yeah, so, oh, girl. Oh, Jesus. So as I'm done getting it on, I'm gonna just like, okay, maybe if I curl it, it'll like do something. And I actually liked the side profile, like, little beach waves, whatever you want to call it. But y'all, somebody help me. I'm not a lace front stylist. I don't, but Lord, my friend was like, girl, what are you doing? So I'm like, okay, well, let me comb it out and see. And look how it look on the front, but the side looks nice. Like, I like that, the way the curls lay on the side, but that front, mm-mm. So I'm like, okay, let me just try to maybe make some baby hair or something in the front. That just made it worse. And this is the part where my friend walked out on my ass. She was like, girl, I'm finna go because you in this wig. Like, what the fuck was that? Yeah. Tell y'all, me and Lace have a oh my god, y'all, relationship. Like, absolutely hate doing them. It's just too much work. I just don't enjoy it. Okay, give me a shortcut any day. This shit right here, Don't wear them.
Bruh.
And y'all, let me tell y'all, when I got home, Troy said it was ugly, and my son said it made me look old. And Troy was like, "You need to take that shit out your head." And this me just trying to just make it look right, and it just didn't. Then I fucked up the part. Y'all, I don't know. This shit's fucked up. It's a fail. Okay? Total fail. Uh, it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. Yeah. Oh, and I knew it because the wig was so thick. And then it's supposed to be a lace front, y'all. The lace is like this big, like on the sides. It's whatever.